Are you looking for a gift idea that you can build for a little girl? Today on DIY Man, we're going to build a triple bunk bed that'll fit her little American Girl dolls. Let's start today's project by cutting up some 1/2-inch plywood. We need to cut 3 pieces that are 10.5 inches wide and 20 inches long. Now, let's cut up some of our 1x2s. We need to cut 7 that are 20 inches long. Let's take those 1x2s that we just cut out and attach those to the long sides of our plywood pieces. I'll just use some wood glue and a small finishing nailer to do this. Now you can just use small finishing nails and a hammer, it just may take a little bit longer. Let's do this to both sides of all 3 of those pieces of plywood. This is what those pieces should look like when you're done. And you also should have one 20-inch 1x2 left over. Next, let's cut 4 1x2s to 28 inches. Now let's take all 4 of those boards and mark 1, 11, and 21 inches up from the bottom on all 4 of these boards. These are going to make up the 4 legs. Let's mount our plywood pieces onto these 28-inch 1x2s. We want the bottom of those 1x2s on the sides to be flush with the top of each one of those lines. As you can see, a small 16-gauge brad nailer like this one can save you a ton of time. These are something you don't have to spend a ton of money on. I've had this off-brand one for quite a while, and I haven't had any issues with it. Alright, let's take that extra 20-inch 1x2 and mount it to the top between one of these sides. This is going to be the top rail. Now that those are all on, let's cut 8 1x2s to 9 inches. These are going to go on the short sides of the bunk bed. There are all kinds of different ways you could use to assemble this doll bed. Just to give you even one more way to assemble this, I'm going to put this top rail on with some trim screws. All I'm using is a drill to pre-drill the holes, then I'll just use a screw gun to attach this top board. Once again, I'm just using trim screws and they just have a little bit smaller head, that way they go into the wood just a little ways. Come back in just a little bit to put a little bit of wood filler in that little hole right there. I'll put the other side together the same way. Next, let's cut one 1x2 at 28 inches and another one at 17 inches. I split those both directly in half with my table saw, and then I use the 17-inch pieces to cut 6 pieces at 4 inches. So we need 2 at 28 inches and 6 at 4 inches. Next, from the bottom of those 28-inch pieces, let's make marks 1.5, 6, 10, 14, 18, and 22 inches up from the bottom. Let's mount those 4-inch pieces on the bottom of those lines between those two boards. This is going to be the ladder for our bunk bed. Those dolls have to have some way to get up to the top bunk. Now let's attach this to the side of the bunk without a top rail. Last cut here. Let's cut one more 1x2 at 16 inches. We'll put this piece between the top rail and the ladder. Now I'm just going to use a little bit of wood filler to fill in all my little holes, and then I'll do a little bit of sanding to make it look really nice before I paint it. Here's the finished product before we put a little bit of paint on. My daughter really likes purple, and I had a little bit laying around. Let's try that. Once the paint dries, our little doll bed is ready to be played with. This is a super simple project, and I'm sure it's going to bring a smile to my daughter's face on Christmas morning. As always, if you got value out of today's video, smash like, hit the subscribe button, and see what else I have available. Oh, and please don't tell my daughter I played with her dolls to make sure this was going to work. She might get kind of mad because, as you can see, they're not wearing their masks.